In this video, I'll show you how to add transitions between your clips in Premiere Pro. The simplest way to add a transition is to right-click between two clips and select Apply Default Transition. This adds a cross dissolve for video. Zoom in on your timeline by dragging the bottom bar to make working with transitions easier. To adjust transition length, just drag its edges. Longer drag means longer transition. You can delete the transition by selecting it and choose Clear. Want different transitions? Go to the Effects panel under Video Transitions. Find and drag your preferred transition between clips. You can set any transition as default by right-clicking it in the Effects panel.